Imagine if minutes from now you could have your very own cloud hosting account that enabled you to create and host unlimited sites with faster loading time than ever before, 100% uptime, and free SSL encryption built in, all for a one-time low fee. That's right, next-generation hosting that's better than anything else on the market right now, but without any of the ridiculous monthly fees. Pay once, use forever. Hosting that takes 60 seconds to set up, protects you against hackers, and keeps you 100% compliant with any legislation, think GDPR or ADA. It would effectively enable you to make your last ever payment for a hosting service today. And still get 100% uptime, blazingly fast loading times, superior service, and the best possible support internet marketers wish for. And brand new for 2022, your own drag and drop funnel builder, aka the ClickFunnels killer. Just how good does that sound? Well, lucky for you, today is the day this all becomes reality. Profit Builder is the next step in cloud hosting, a revolution like no other that enables you to enjoy faster loading websites than ever before, 60-second quick setup using built-in wizard, 100% uptime with free SSL encryption built in, unlimited sites, email accounts, and more. Built-in ClickFunnels killer drag and drop funnel builder, next generation control panel, free one-click WordPress installer, 24/7 support from marketing gurus, DDoS and malware protection, legal compliance, GDPR, ADA, etc. And here's the kicker, you get all of this for life with just one-time low fee today. The best part? It's 100% newbie friendly and has been designed from the ground up by marketers for marketers, plus from making it better every single day based on user suggestions. And if you act fast, you get the ClickFunnels Killer drag and drop page and funnel builder free. Get this today and enjoy lifetime hosting for nothing. Yes, that's zero future hosting payments. You're finally able to cancel one of those pesky monthly subscriptions that keep adding up, and yet get better service than before still. It's a true win-win, but only available until the timer on the page hits 0, so hurry. Plus, we'll never ever read or access your files or sites, and no one else will be able to either. Profit Builder has a rock-solid encryption system that ensures your sites remain yours and are protected against malware or hackers. So you can finally say goodbye to paying ridiculous monthly fees to expensive shared hosting in exchange for subpar services and questionable security and website protection policies. Plus, you'll never again be limited to the number of sites you can host or the bandwidth that you use. The bottom line is this. Profit Builder saves you hundreds of dollars a year in cloud hosting fees while providing a better, faster, and more marketer-friendly service than any of our competitors. All inside one newbie-friendly interface even an 8-year-old can master. So take action now. Click the buy button below and claim your exclusive one-time fee access to a next-level revolution unlike any you've seen yet. Welcome to the future of internet marketing and cloud hosting. Welcome to Profit Builder.
Welcome to Profit Builder, the best funnel builder with integrated hosting you're ever going to see. It's as easy as adding your own domain right here, where you can add as many domains as you want to host your very own websites and funnels, and then simply accessing it. To start using your funnel builder, or you can access it as a normal website. Let's go ahead and check out our funnel builder right now.
All you have to do is go to Template Library, Access Library, and here you have all the templates that we have. So let's just choose one. Let's choose Mirage. We just download it. And you can do this with any other template. We also have offline templates that you can use. Now that our Mirage template has been downloaded, all you have to do is go back, go to Download Templates, click on the plus, and here we are. Now this is the exact same sales page that Radu, Mike, and I have used to launch Mirage. Now you can use this to promote Mirage and get 100% commissions, or sell a product that's similar to Mirage or any of the other 15 products that we have. You can use anything from testimonials to GIFs to images, and even have a bonus section for your customers. But this wouldn't be great if you couldn't edit everything. And this is our front end editor, right? You have two of them. If you want to use the back end, go ahead. But this is a drag and drop editor. It allows you to edit anything from this header to literally anything on the page. If you want, you can do a full rebrand or just go crazy. But what's more, on top of these 25 templates that we are offering, you're also getting 30 elements that you can use in your designs or websites if you want to go from scratch or if you want to add anything to our templates. You have everything all the way from text blocks to Google Maps to video players, and you can even throw a pie chart in there if you want, which gives you unlimited possibilities to create and maximize your profits by selling our products, our certified products, and can bring you a lot of profit. Not just that, but you get 100% commissions on any of the 15 products that we're having. And what's more, you're also getting a full funnel. That means you're getting the template for Mirage, Mirage Pro, Mirage Done For You, and Mirage Resellers. You're getting all this at the price of basically nothing, as this is the best page builder that you will see on the market right now. Get your copy today, and I hope I will see you inside.